Hello and welcome back to Immigration News and Views. My name is David Nachman. I'm one of the managing attorneys at the Nachman Pawani Zimochek Law Group. We have offices in northern New Jersey. We also have offices in Midtown Manhattan. We also have affiliated offices in Mumbai, India, and in Canada. So today I just wanted to tell everyone a little bit about what we were doing this past weekend. We had the great opportunity to be members of the Global Gujarati convention or festival that was held in Edison, New Jersey. My staff and I were able to be at a booth there, and we had the opportunity to meet and greet many of the individuals in the community who are clients, prospective clients, also individuals who just had general questions about immigration law, and we had an opportunity to meet, shake their hands, look them in the eyes, and say hello. It was really an excellent opportunity. Also, we had an opportunity to auction off or to have a drawing for a free iPad, which a lucky winner did win, and also we had an opportunity to have a drawing for 2 free lunches at Michael Pawani's restaurant in New York City called Shalom Bombay. Shalom Bombay is a restaurant where there's actually kosher Indian food, and kosher Indian food is very specialized because what it is that it's Indian food, which many of you are aware of the Indian cuisine, but it's made without any creams or any dairy whatsoever. So we were able to give away 2 lunches to a lucky winner whose name was drawn from the individuals who visited our booth during the convention. There were also a lot of people who were visiting from the state of Gujarat in India, and we had an opportunity to speak to those individuals who told us a lot about what's going on socially, politically, economically in the great state of Gujarat. Gujarat right now happens to be the largest growing state in India, and so we had an opportunity to speak to people about land development and about opportunities for them to bring some of their businesses here to the United States. Many of these individuals were interested in, now that they have booming businesses in Gujarat, they were interested in opening up subsidiaries, affiliates, and branch offices here in the United States and transferring some of that wealth here to the United States. As many of you know, have been watching our videos, there are various ways in which individuals can apply for entrepreneur visas here in the United States. We've discussed the EB-5 classification, which is the investor visa, where you have to invest $1 million or less, depending upon the area that you're investing in, or if you're investing in a regional area. And what you do is you have an opportunity to make that investment, develop 10 jobs for U.S. workers, and to immigrate to the United States with a green card. But there are other types of visas. The one specifically that we spoke a lot about to the Gujarati community had to do with opening up new offices in the United States, new companies, and then transferring as multinational executives from their offices in India to the United States. That would be for them and their family members. And many of them are trying to get succession plans in place, and they have succession plans for their children who are officers, directors, or on the payroll of their companies abroad. And so what they're doing is they're trying to set up a succession plan where they're able to do business both in India and in the United States. So this was a very exciting opportunity for the NPZ Law Group. I'd like to just, as an aside, thank a couple of people for this opportunity. Of course, I'd like to thank my partner, Michael Pawani, who was with us on Friday night at the Global Gujarati Convention, and he also had an opportunity to meet and greet many of his clients, many of the people who came and joined us on Friday night. I'd also like to take a minute to thank our friends at TV Asia, who just did a fantastic job of allowing us to talk a little bit about immigration law on their, on a couple of spots on TV. And I'd also like to take a couple of minutes to thank the members of my staff who just did a tremendous job of setting up the booth and also being there during the program to meet and greet many of the people who came to the booth. So that's just a quick update about some of the things that the Nachman Fawani Zimochek Law Group are doing in the community. If you have any questions, if we can assist you, your friends, or your family with any immigration matters, please feel free to give us a call. The number, of course, is on your screen. If you would also like, please feel free to also take a look at our website, which has a lot of great information about immigration to the United States and Canada from anywhere in the world. Thanks very much for being with us today.